What is neutron stars? Why it is in the news? Astronomers recently discovered 10 strange dead stars or neutron stars lurking near the heart of the Milky Way. About neutron stars. Neutron stars are super dense compact objects in space. They form when a really big star runs out of the fuel and collapses. The core of the star, known as the core, collapses, squeezing every proton electron together to become a neutron. If the core of the collapsing star is between 1 and 3 times of the mass of our sun, then these newly formed neutrons can halt the collapse, creating a neutron star. Stars heavier than this will collapse into a black hole. If the size of the star which is collapsing is more than 3 times, then it will convert into black holes. Neutron stars originating from stars are spread across the galaxy where we find stars. They can exist alone or with the partners in binary system. They can also found in the binary system with the partners. Neutron stars are typically around 20 kilometer wide and weight between 1.18 to 1.97 times the sun's mass. That you can think only the length is this much. This much is the diameter, with the most around 1.35 times of the sun's mass. Most of the neutron stars 1.35 times the sun's mass. Many neutron stars cannot be detected. They do not emit sufficient radiation. Therefore, it cannot be detected. Most neutron stars are observed as a pulsars, which are spinning neutron stars. Pulsars are spinning neutron stars emitting radiation pulses at a regular interval ranging from milliseconds to seconds. Pulsars possess very strong magnetic fields that channel particle jets out along with their two poles and producing intense beams of light. Neutron stars can also appear as a rotating radio transients RRATS and magnetars. RRATS emits single radio bursts at a regular interval ranging from 4 minutes to 3 hours. With these causes of this phenomena are still unknown. Magnetars are neutron stars with immensely powerful magnetic field, far exceeding Earth's magnetic field strength. Which type of star forms when a really big star runs out of the fuel and collapses and creating a super dense compact object in space? It is option A, red giant, option B, neutron star, option C, white dwarf, option D, black hole. So please give your answer in the form of option in the comment box.